When looking at diamonds, one of the first things we need to do is separate value from beauty. When we talk about value of a diamond, we're talking about the rarity of the diamond. How rare, how pure is the diamond? And that's what the 4 C's really addresses. One of the first criteria that we look at, and to me is foremost in all the criteria, is the cut of the diamond. When we talk about cut, we're talking about the brilliance, the life of the diamond. The brilliance and the life of the diamond come from the cut of the diamond. Each diamond has 58 facets. The facets on a diamond are cut to reflect light like a mirror. So as each of these facets are cut on, the angles have to be just proper so that when the light enters the stone, no matter where the light enters the stone, it gets reflected back to you as brilliance, as sparkle, as the life of the diamond. Color, or body color of the diamond, affects the value the most. If I were to take a little bit of apple juice and drop in the purified water, it dilutes it and it becomes a little bit more yellow. Much like a diamond, the more impurities in the diamond, the less value it has, just like the water. Every drop I put in represents one grade down on the grading scale. So when I'm looking at diamonds, the more yellow it has, the more impurities it has, and the less value it has. However, when we look at diamonds and its purity and its rarity, it becomes so yellow and so vivid, it becomes more rare again. That not too many diamonds have the rarity and the intense color, so the value comes up again. The next of the 4 C's is clarity. When we talk about clarity, we're talking about the inclusions within the diamond that you can only see under a microscope, or inclusions that we can actually see with the naked eye. So, when we look at a diamond, the grading scale starts at flawless. When we look at flawless diamonds mean that under 10 power magnification, there are no inclusions that we can see. The next grading scale is VVS, for very, very slight inclusions. When we look at the VVS stones and the grading of a VVS stone, we're looking at diamonds that even under a microscope, even under 10 power magnification, it takes an expert grader to identify the inclusions. When we look at the next grade, VS1 and VS2, standing for very slight inclusions, a diamond grader or a gemologist can actually show you in a microscope those inclusions, but yet they're still very, very minute. What we see the most and what we sell the most is SI grade, which means slight inclusions. Slight inclusions are diamonds that you can actually see the flaws under a microscope pretty easily. When we get into imperfect or included diamonds, this is a category that you can start seeing the inclusions with the naked eye, and to some, that is okay. The amount of pureness of a diamond is completely up to you and what you like in a diamond. The value is based on how pure it is, how clean it is under a microscope. The more pure, the more rare, the more expensive. The final and 4th C that we're going to talk about today is the carat weight. What happens is when we look at a diamond and we lay it on a scale, the carat of the diamond is measured out. When we look at a diamond, it kind of brings us back down to the shape of a diamond. We may have a diamond that weighs a carat, that may be very large and spread out, but it may be very shallow, which means the cut isn't going to be right. We may have a diamond that weighs a carat that is not big in diameter but very deep, and that again will not bring a lot of the brilliance that we're looking for when we're looking at a diamond. This concludes our video on the 4 C's. The cut of the diamond, which gives it its life, its sparkle, its brilliance. The color of the diamond, which represents the body color of the stone. The clarity of the diamond, of how pure it is, how many inclusions are in it. Do we see the inclusions or do we not with the naked eye? And then of course the carat weight, the weight or the size of the diamond. These 4 criteria make up value of a diamond. Again, we could have a beautiful, flawless diamond, but if it doesn't sparkle well, it's not going to have the life and the brilliance that we need.